Okay, I pulled this diacro. This is the rolling, bending arm thing that has this little, it has a little on-off switch in the middle there for turning this little, I don't want to call it a cam, but it's like a moon. And that changes the direction of the flipper. So what I'm trying to do is I want to remake that little flipper. So this thing, it's a pretty big piece of cast iron. And then that roller is on a 1-inch shaft, it looks like. And then that half moon comes here and it rotates on that axis. And it lines up as best as I can kind of say is, well, what I'll do is I'll square this up and I'll get that measurement again from here to here. And then I'll have this measurement from here to here. So I'll be able to offset this center by rebuilding that geometry in there. And then I want to remake the finger that goes into here. Unfortunately, the place I have working, they can't do 1.5 inches. Like this is 1.5 inches round diacro, and they want serious money for that finger because it's 1.5 inches thick, solid. Whew. Anyway, I can't afford that. So I'm going to make it out of 3 pieces that will be 1/2 inch stacked on top of this. And then either I'll weld them together or screw them together or something. I haven't decided. But to give that context, okay, so that sits on this rail. And this rail receives, these are little spring clips. And so I'm just going to take this off so it's a little bit lighter to flip. Okay. So here is, right, those little spring clips make it in the way. It rides on that rail all the way up to the edge, right? This is, obviously I don't think those things ride there, but this is where, you turn it to paddle this way, paddle this way, paddle this way, and it's for like it gives the tool a backstop to rest upon as it's bending around whatever radius there is. Anyway, it's going to cost me 3 hours of design time, and then probably just $40 in sheet metal or something. Very fine thread on these. So when they go through here, super duper fine thread. All of that was gummed up when I got this, so I tapped all of those holes. This machine, this is as far as it goes in. So it rides on this rail, and that rail, 38 millimeter rail. I don't remember, but they're big. It's big hardware. That's for sure. Someone called it the Starship Enterprise.